So, it's been a crazy year for tech. Most devices nowadays are equipped with AI to cater to modern needs. This includes comprehensive features for productivity, photography, and even communication. With that, we feel like Samsung made waves from day one. The launch of the Galaxy S24 series and Galaxy AI certainly set the pace for how the year played out. Since then, Samsung hasn't let up either. The company still continues to expand the suite of features that comes with Galaxy AI. They've even made it available to previous generation devices like the S23 and so forth. So that brings us to the present day. Hey guys, it's here from YUGA-to-know, and today we'll be unpacking how Samsung has paved the way for mobile devices with AI features this 2024. Let's dive in. Samsung opened up 2024 with the arrival of Galaxy AI and the new Galaxy S24 series. This includes the Galaxy S24, the S24 Plus, and of course the S24 Ultra. The new line of Galaxy S devices gave us new ways to go about creativity, communication, and productivity. For creatives, the device had notable features like generative edit, edit suggestion, and instant slow-mo. Now, as a quick recap, generative edit lets users resize, reposition, and delete objects in a photo. Meanwhile, edit suggestion is handy for when you need a second opinion, as AI does the work and gives you other remastered versions of the shots you have captured. For post-production, the instant slow-mo is a simple tool that works by applying itself on your clips just by long pressing a scene. In terms of communication, Galaxy AI was a game changer with its live translation feature. This was available via calls, message, and even in real time with an interpreter app via voice recognition. Lastly, it offered a ton of assistance for productivity. Among its standout features were Circle to Search with Google, which is very much self-explanatory. There's also Browsing Assist for summarizing or translating articles online, Note Assist, which lets you summarize notes quick and easy with bullet points, and Transcript Assist, which takes your recorder files and does the work for you. And work, I mean transcribing everything. Suffice to say, Samsung certainly started the year with a bang, and it only got better from there. In March, Samsung made AI more accessible on a grander scale with the release of the One UI 6.1 update. Among its recipients were the Galaxy S23 series, the Galaxy Z Fold and Z Flip 5, the Galaxy Tab S9. All of them are now equipped with Galaxy AI. While this month seems a bit tame, this software update was actually very big, for a lot of good reasons too. Samsung went above and beyond to equip users with Galaxy AIs, even though you might still be using an older generation smartphone. July was a huge month for Samsung, so there's a lot to cover here. Summing it up, the month saw the launches of the Galaxy Z Fold 6, the Galaxy Z Flip 6, the Galaxy Bud 3 series, the Galaxy Watch 7, and the new Galaxy Watch Ultra. This one showed us how committed Samsung was to making Galaxy AI as accessible as possible. While we already saw how great it worked with smartphones, its integration into wearables was insanely innovative. The new Galaxy Z Fold and Z Flip series released this year also showed us more of what the Galaxy AI had to offer. This line of smartphone leveraged its flexible form factor to enable fresh and unique mobile experiences. And let's start off with the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Among its standout features was an improved Circle to Search tool powered by Google. At this point, users could select any object online or even in their own photo gallery to learn more about it. There's also the interpreter in dual screen mode, which makes use of the foldable panels for translating languages, and the live language translate also worked via listening mode, allowing you to translate long conversations. Plus, you could also use this feature hands-free. Then we have Sketch to Image. Working in tandem with the S Pen, users could draw rough sketches and let Galaxy AI make the finishing touches on the work. If ever you're lacking inspiration, it only takes a few taps to work up should you need it. Meanwhile, the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6 stands as the most powerful iteration of the Flip line yet. It offers Flex Cam with auto zoom, which took solo photography to the next level. Users could pose any way they wanted without having to worry about missing great angles. In other words, this feature enables the phone's camera to do most of the work for you. The phone also comes with Portrait Studio, a new Galaxy AI feature allowing users to leverage creativity from their own selfies and portraits to make an entirely new one. For personalization, the Flip 6 comes with AI wallpapers on the Flex window. This feature lets you make your own custom AI-generated wallpaper for your cover screen, making it unique from others. You can choose between standard, interactive, and ambient wallpapers with the option to explore new widgets. Notable productivity tools includes the Composer. It's a highly appreciated addition to the Galaxy AI suite that works like an assistant. It helps you draft messages, emails, or even poems or stories. It's a driven integration that works to convey your thoughts through text based on a user's prompts. Moving on, we have the Galaxy Buds 3 series, which includes the Galaxy Buds 3 and the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. The Galaxy Buds 3 line brought in-person conversations straight to your Galaxy smartphone to break down language barriers in real time with live translations. The Galaxy Buds 3 Pro, on the other hand, comes with listening mode and conversation mode. Wrapping up the month, we have the Samsung Watch 7 and the Samsung Watch Ultra. These wearables expanded what Galaxy AI was capable of. While the wearables worked towards providing end-to-end wellness experiences, Galaxy AI complemented it further with personalized insights. For example, the Samsung Health app worked in tandem with the Galaxy Watch 7 or even the Galaxy Watch Ultra to make a personalized energy score based on your sleep data. Other factors include blood oxygen levels, snoring time, skin temperature, and even your heart rate. There's also an AI-powered meter for your personalized FTP or functional threshold power. Now, this is for tracking your pedaling power, and Galaxy AI bases your score on your heart rate within 10 minutes of a bike ride. In August, Samsung rolled out their Circle to Search feature to the Galaxy A series and along with the Galaxy Tab S9 FE series. Personally, we appreciate how the company made the new tools accessible to devices that shouldn't actually have made the cut. It just seems like Samsung is a cut above in providing insane value for money. One thing's for sure, Samsung and Google were dedicated to providing their tools to as many people as possible this year. Last but certainly not least, Samsung announced the Galaxy S24 FE, the Galaxy Tab S10 Plus, and the Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra in September. The Samsung Galaxy S24 FE is an offering that makes the Galaxy S24 series flagships innovations a lot more affordable and accessible to everyone. This includes enhanced photography, cutting-edge performance, and even more features from Galaxy AI. Creators surely appreciate that this device came with generative edit, portrait studios, edit suggestions, and instant slow-mo. Other features like Circle to Search, Interpreter, and Composer were also integrated into the device out of the box. For productivity, it also features Note Assist and Transcript Assist to save you a lot of time. The month also saw the launch of Samsung's first tablets tailor-made for Galaxy AI. The devices come with improvement in processing power and responsiveness. Additionally, the features are now more easily accessible with written prompts from the new Galaxy AI key on the keyboards. The Galaxy Tab S10 Plus and the Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra featured Note Assist and Sketch to Image, which have proven to be very useful for productivity purposes. At the same time, it's also helpful for guys who are bad at drawing. For unique features though, we had the Samsung Galaxy S Pen's Air Command powered by AI. This gave users instant access to the Galaxy AI Assistant features without having to toggle between menus. The Assistant can be easily launched as well via the Galaxy AI key on the keyboard via prompts. At the same time, they made it a lot easier for users to pick between Samsung's Bixby and Google's Gemini models for a more personalized AI experience. That pretty much sums it up. It's been a long yet innovative year for Samsung with Galaxy AI at the core of their ecosystem. From phones to wearables and tablets, it's crazy how Samsung was able to roll out a ton of features powered by Galaxy AI. Because of all of that, we believe that they've led the way this year in terms of making the most out of AI-powered integrations. With AI continuing to be the running trend for 2025, we're really excited for what Samsung and Galaxy AI has in store. The question now is, how will it get bigger and better from here? But so far, what do you guys think of Samsung's year this 2024? Is it great because of all of the AI features, and do you think there should be more? Whatever the case, share your thoughts in the comments below and how Samsung has helped you guys in your life with Galaxy AI. And if you enjoyed this video or found it informative, do drop a like and subscribe to watch more. Don't forget to follow us on our social media platforms, that's Facebook, Instagram, X, and TikTok. And of course, visit YUGA-to-know.com for the latest tech news and reviews. And if you want to check out reviews on Samsung devices, you can do so on the website or on our YouTube channel. Just search it up, it's gonna be there. Once again, this has been Jose, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Happy holidays!